I'm Satomi, a licensed tour guide for foreign tourists. I live in Gifu Prefecture located in central Japan. Today, I'm visiting the Nagaragawa River in Seki City to see cormorant fishing. The sun is setting. So beautiful, isn't it? Cormorant fishing is usually held at night. A cormorant fisherman and two rowers on a boat show us a performance. Guests watch the show from spectator boats. Now, I'm on the spectator boat. These lanterns are made of Mino-Japanese paper. They are called Gifu Lantern. All the boats are heading for the upper stream. Cormorant fishing started about 1300 years ago. It used to be one of the fishing methods to catch sweet fish, but now it is enjoyed as a fishing show. It is said that the very famous Japanese warrior in Gifu entertained his guests by showing cormorant fishing more than 400 years ago. The sun had set. Lanterns are very beautiful. Before the show, explanation about the fishing is given by a fisherman. The uniform of a cormorant fisherman has not changed for 1300 years. A fishing boat and spectator boats go down the river side by side, so it's possible to get a close look. Can you see cormorants? They are trying to catch sweet fish in the river. The fisherman controls 8 cormorants using ropes tied around birds' bodies. Bonfire is lit at the front of a fishing boat. Sweet fish in the river react to the bonfire and begin to swim. Cormorants see the action and try to catch them. The fisherman pulls a rope when a cormorant got a fish and makes the bird spit it out. That's cormorant fishing. Cormorants are regarded as members of fisherman's family and are treated with love. Cormorants get a health check once a year. Now, this fishing is held at 11 places across the country, and the fishing held in Nagaragawa River is the most famous. Goryou-ukai, or imperial cormorant fishing, is held 8 times a year only in Nagaragawa River, and sweet fish is sent to the imperial palace. When you come to Japan, visit Nagaragawa River and enjoy cormorant fishing. Thank you for watching.